If you don't fuck with Evil Empire, well then, you're just a bitch-ass trick.
Yeah, paint me a sign and let me know whether or not I'm gonna make it here. Mom told me keep faith and also praying in. Watch women as snakes, but keep snakes from where. Pop said, why live life if you gon' break it fair? Never break a tear, just make sure when it's on you gon' break the bed, cell phone, leg, a tear. Yeah, and make sure that you break the rear. I spit the shit that upset stomachs like I ain't ate in years. Still a gorilla, but beating like I'm an 8 with tears. I'm the definition of born without a trace of fear. Look at my face instead. I read your pupils through your eyes till they ache your ears. Surprise, yeah, you make us head clear. I survive from what I'm facing here. Dance with the devil and strap Jason in Satan's chair. Yeah, then add a smoke out in the Jason leg. I ain't been through half my problems and couldn't face them here. But let me lace your pair, show you that my faith is red. Take a stare, walking in shoes, soulless for ancient years. Yeah, I'm whatever you wanna take it where. I ain't got time for the flexing, homie, you're faking head. Woke up this morning and seen the grayest of grayest hair. Age come with wisdom, but death, silence, and vacant chairs.